In this video, I'll show you how to flip video in Premiere Pro 2023. To get started, go ahead and open your Adobe Premiere Pro on your device. Now, since I don't have the app installed on my device, I'll use Adobe Express as an alternative. So, Adobe Express, go ahead and upload your video. Once the video is uploaded, go ahead and click on that. Now, on the left side of your screen, you'll find these tools. Click on Position, and above that, you'll be able to find this Flip H and Flip V tool, which actually means flip horizontal and flip vertical. So you can use this tool to flip your video horizontally or vertically depending on your preference. And that is how you can simply flip video in Premiere Pro 2023. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.